Ever wondered why strawberries, raspberries and blackberries are crowned the jewels of the fruit world? Dive in with us as we embark on a juicy journey to discover their secrets. Strawberries, the romantic heart-shaped fruits, not only tantalize your taste buds, but also serve as a powerful ally for your health. They're packed with vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants, which help fight harmful free radicals. And did you know that strawberries aren't just for desserts? They make a delightful addition to salads, smoothies and even savory dishes, adding a refreshing twist to your meals. Next on our list, raspberries. These tiny powerhouses are a source of mighty nutrients like vitamin K, magnesium and biotin. They help maintain a healthy heart, strong bones and lustrous hair. And their uses extend beyond the dining table. Raspberries also make an appearance in natural skincare products, owing to their skin rejuvenating properties. So next time you savor a raspberry, remember it's not just a fruit, it's a beauty treatment. Finally, let's not forget the mysterious blackberries, the dark knights of the fruit kingdom. They're loaded with vitamin A, iron and calcium, making them the perfect fruit for eye health, improved cognition and strong teeth. And their versatility is astounding. From jams to cocktails, they can jazz up any dish or drink. So why not invite these three fruity musketeers into your daily diet? They're not just delicious, they're a delightful way to boost your health and add a splash of color to your meals. And remember, the best way to enjoy them is in their natural, unprocessed form. So the next time you're at the market, don't just walk past these gems. Pick them up, bring them home, and let their goodness unfold on your plate. Incorporating strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries into your life is a decision you won't regret. It's a tasty step towards a healthier, happier you. So go on, indulge in these fruits, and let their sweet, tangy flavors dance on your tongue. After all, good health never tasted so good.